No problem.
No problem.
One, two,
Oh,
okay.
oh my God. We just took the bus to Syracusa. Syracusa.
This is a little choo-choo train that takes you around to all the sites.
The whole thing is not very big, so I think
This is a 30-minute tour.
yeah, and I think he'll basically give us
Orientation.
of everything we need to know.
It's a little bumpy, but we're cool. Marina, we should have rented that. Si, signora.
Look, there's a boat. Halt, wandering traveler, and admire these waters from which the most sacred and beautiful rivers flow. So wrote Virgil. According to mythology, this freshwater fountain is the place where the nymph Arethusa returned to Earth's surface after escaping from an undersea home in Arcadia. The fountain is mentioned in a number of literary works. Syracusa is a historic city on the island of Sicily, and it's noted for its culture, its history, the amphitheaters, the architecture, and is the birthplace of one of the most famous mathematicians, Archimedes.
We're in the heart of Ortygia.
This is the
Duomo of Ortygia.
really a pretty place, very clean,
It's beautiful.
very romantic.
Nah,
I'm with
not
her.
when you're your sister, not romantic.
What is so special about this cathedral is that it was actually built over the great temple of Athena, which is from the 5th century. It's pretty neat that you can still see the columns incorporated into the walls of the current church. Look at the pillars, look at the columns, they're built in, eh? See parts of the old church and with the new. Ortygia is the ancient heart of Syracusa, a World UNESCO Heritage Site.
At the heart of the city is always the Duomo, so if you do nothing else, do the Duomo.
Yes. You found it. You found your cup of fish.
We did.
It is right there.
We're waiting for pesce fritto, fried fish in a cone, which we've been waiting for all day, which we got cheated out of in Rio Maggiore. So we're getting it here because we were too.
We've already had it like 3 times, so I don't think we got cheated
We
anymore.
didn't get cheated anymore. We're just stuffing our
just being
faces
pigs.
because it's so good.
Yes.
It is so good.
There's that side, and then there's that side.
Oh, it looks good, but I got bad news for you. It looks like mostly sardines.
Uh-huh.
Aw.
We'll try one, okay?
Okay. What do you think?
Not bad, I just can't eat the heads. Going into the sea caves, the grottos here, and we're really excited because they're supposed to be awesome and we're getting a private tour.
Oh my God! Woo! Look at that! Oh my God!
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Voila. Old bridge.
Yeah?
Old bridge.
Old bridge.
Yeah, so they're low.
And here
Yeah?
we are inside small harbor.
what she's drinking. Oh, we have another cave here. Oh my goodness, look how white it is against the black. Oh, so that's shallow. Yeah, look at that. It's absolutely stunningly gorgeous.
Two brothers.
Two brothers.
Yes, that name here.
We are two sisters.
We're two sisters.
In Greco, the Greeks speak Ortis.
Ah.
Similar. Pigeons.
Yeah, pigeons.
Yes.
Oh.
Because Ortygia
Yeah.
and forma.
Behind me is the bridge that Roberto is going to take us under. And he's actually going to collapse the top part of the boat so that we fit. Here he goes. Down she goes.
Okay.
Yep. And some things, my friends, never get old.
That's so much fun. Oh, you can see Duomo from here.
Big harbor.
Yeah.
Siracusa.
Siracusa.
Yes, of natural. Because close.
Yeah.
It's a full circle. It's a full circle, goes all the way around.
Yeah.
Roberto gave us a wicked tour. Go visit Roberto.
Now I'm going to pack more vino.
I told you, what did I say? I say pack all of the vino. But you did not. I drained my vino in one slug. We are at the Archeological Park here in Syracusa, and behind me is the amphitheater. It's a wonderful example. Gladiators came out, snarling lions, gnashing their teeth. Who's hungry?
Okay. So behind me is the quarry where they were gotten all the stones.
They believe this is dating back to the Augustan age. Little black gato. I have a sarcophagus for you, madame.
Not yet.
It never used.
Time has not come.
Brand new. Only used once.
Oh, only used once.
Only used once by a little old lady. The Greek theater was built in the 5th century BC. And it's part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Syracusa. There's the stairs. Legend has it that he would stand up there and listen to people. He'd eavesdrop because the sound carried so well.
The sound carries. Wow.
It sure does. Oh, and it's circular, just like an ear. Cool.
Successfully navigated back. So basically it says $8.50 each and then €1 to go to where we want to go. So I would say that's a score.
What was the tour cost?
Oh, and we took a tour for €3. For €3 with a little choo-choo train around, and then we took a €15 tour on the boat.
That was a private tour.
Private tour, and that was like the best thing ever.
Thank you, Roberto.
Thank you, Roberto. another Roberto. So many Roberto.
It's like Roberto's and Bojans.
Yeah.
In Slovenia, it's Bojan?
Slovenia, Roberto here.
Here. Do you think that's a fake name and they just give it to you?
Yeah, I think so.
As we left, we passed the statue of the Weeping Madonna.
This is it. Oh, wow.
A miracle that was said to have happened in 1953 when the statue started to weep.
Did you like this place?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Come back?
Uh-huh, I'd like to.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
It's beautiful.
I wanted to weep my own tears, knowing that it was time to leave Syracusa, and still so much left to see and do.
Marina, it's time for what?
I was hoping gelato.
Si, signorita, gelato.